Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Equations Part 3. The equations in this video are more involved because they require more than one step to solve them. Let's look at some examples. Number 1, 3m plus 5 equals 23. Because that's a plus 5, we subtract 5 from both sides, because subtraction is the opposite operation of addition. So we subtract 5 from both sides. We've done that here. The 5's cancel, so we have 3m on the left-hand side, and 23 minus 5 equals 18. Because that is multiplication, we divide both sides by 3, which takes us to this line. The 3's cancel to give us m, and that works out to be 6. So m equals 6. Number 2, 5k minus 7 equals 28. Because that's subtraction, we add 7 to both sides. And that's what we've done here. The 7's cancel to give us 5k, and 28 plus 7 is 35. Divide both sides by 5 to give us that line. The 5's cancel to give us k, and that equals 7, so k equals 7. Number 3, 8y plus 9 equals 39. Because that's addition, subtract 9 from both sides. We've done that here. The 9's cancel to give us 8y. That gives us 30. Divide both sides by 8, because that's multiplication. We've done that there. The 8's cancel to give us y. That gives us 30 over 8. 30 over 8 can be simplified to 15 over 4, and then we change the improper fraction. We get y equals 3 3/4. Number 4, 7k minus 3 equals 16. Because that's minus, we add 3 to both sides. We've done that here and there. The 3's cancel to give us 7k. 16 plus 3 is 19. Divide both sides by 7. We've done that there. The 7's cancel to give us k, and that's 19 over 7. That's an improper fraction, and we get k equals 2 5/7. So this video has introduced us again to the idea of solving more involved fractions, and in this case we've seen more than one operation that we have to perform to solve the fractions. And the most important thing, as always, whatever operation you perform on one side, you must perform the same operation on the other side to keep the equation balanced.